So, shall we go off for the exciting raffle and prizes? But I hear some sound here somewhere.
Yes, yes. What is that sound I hear?
Oh, our Santa has arrived finally.
Oh, wow. That's so great.
Hi,
I've
Santa.
been waiting.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Ano Nuevo.
What language is
To
that,
you,
Anila?
family, to you.
Did you
I think
understand?
he's wishing all our families a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's what I think.
Oh, yes. That's what he's trying to convey to us.
Oh, but why did he become late, Santa?
This was very difficult problem.
Oh, you know what he's saying?
No.
While he was coming, he's coming from the North Pole, you know. He's coming from the North Pole. So he had all this way to travel and give gifts to all the kids here in Kuwait. And he was caught up by the heavy rain. And his sleigh almost hit the Kuwaiters.
Oh, my God.
Can you imagine? So sorry for you, Santa. But anyway, we are so happy that you've come here. And,
You could be with us.
Yeah, you met everybody. Any other wishes you want to say? Do you want to say something special?
IDF Corona, good work, good, bravo, good work.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Santa.
He's
saying
trying.
that IDF is doing a wonderful work in terms
In
of
spite
the
of the
pandemic
pandemic.
times and all that. Okay. So, Santa, why don't you pick up one raffle draw for us? Yeah, please. Okay. Preeta, can you read out the number?
It's number 74.
74 on Zoom. Entry?
Dr. Shahid
Dr.
Khan.
Shahid Khan. Dr. Shahid Khan Patan, one of our
Congratulations, Dr. Shahid. God bless you.
Yeah. One more?
I hope it's my number, Anila.
1 second, huh? 1 second. We'll just check Dr. Shahid Khan.
Yeah.
He's there.
Do we have Dr. Shahid online in Zoom? Yes,
Raised
he's
hand?
there.
Yeah.
Yes, so the first prize goes to Dr. Shahid Khan. The second number?
And the second number is 2020.
20. So who's
Dr.
20?
Asit Mohanty.
Oh, this is the total OB team, I must say.
Congratulations, Dr.
I
Asu.
must say Dr. Amir's OB team is very, very lucky. Can we have one more?
Is it there?
Okay, Anila, let's see what's the lucky number.
We have number 19.
19.
Dr. Aarti Thomas.
Dr. Aarti Thomas. Dr. Aarti Thomas online? Is she on
Congratulations.
Zoom? Yeah.
Yeah, I think Aarti George. Yes.
Yes, Aarti is online. Okay, so congrats, Dr. Aarti. You are the third winner.
Now,
yeah.
now we will guess who Santa is.
Can we have the
any-
game of guessing the
Okay.
Santa? All our participants on
Anila?
Zoom.
Yeah, they have to type in the chat.
Whoever guesses Santa can type on the chat box and let us know who do you think Santa is. Clue, he is one of the IDF member. That's the only clue I can give. Let's see. Guesses? Any guesses?
Dr. Jagannath.
We will.
Dr.
we will not
Jaggi?
answer.
Who? Any other guesses?
Dr. Philippos.
So keep on guessing, keep on guessing.
Keep guessing.
Let's see.
I think we need a clue. Let's give them a clue.
Keep
Clue?
guessing.
Clue, Anila, what clue can we give them?
Who guessed? Gillian Brito. So Dr. Gillian?
Where is he? No.
Oh, Dr. Srinath.
Srinath is the first one.
Where is he? Ah,
Dr. Srinath has guessed
Not
the Santa
Dr., huh?
correctly. So I think it's high time we
Yeah.
reveal.
My
Yeah.
husband, yeah.
So may I invite Dr. Amir and Dr. Tasneem Amir to disclose the Santa, and then we'll continue with the raffle draw.
Dr. Amir
Dr.
and
Amir.
Dr. Tasneem.
So
Disclosing of Santa.
Thank you so Thank you
round
so
of
much,
applause.
Dr. Ramesh. You were so sweet and so nice of you.
God bless you, Dr. Ramesh.
Can we have some words from Santa?
I think for somebody as old as me, I didn't need any costume. I'm already a Santa. But it's an honor, it's a privilege. I think it's heart touching for me every time I'm called to an IDF meeting with a family as beautiful as all over here in this room and outside this room in their homes. We are lucky. We are truly lucky. I think Dr. Amir on my right will particularly endorse Dr. Jagannath a little far away from here, that when we started IDF, this is what was our dream. And we thank Allah, we thank God for His kindness that we have achieved it in abundant measure. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank God.
Thank you so much, sir. You have the
bless
heart
you.
of Santa. Okay. Now, Dr. Amir, can you pick up the next raffle? So Santa is busy. He's got to go and deliver gifts somewhere else. Yeah.
Thank you, Santa. God bless you, Santa.
So which is the next number?
43.
43.
43.
43 online on Zoom.
Who is it?
Contestant?
Dr. Neha.
Dr. Neha Lohia?
She's lucky again.
Yeah, Dr.
Dr.
Neha
Neha.
Lohia.
Congratulations, Dr.
Congratulations,
Neha.
Dr. Neha.
Last time also Dr. Neha.
She's the lucky person.
Yeah.
Yes, she's there.
Oh, can I invite Dr. Nazim to pick up the second raffle? Yeah, hi, Dr. Nazim.
Good evening. Shake it well. I will take that.
You want to pick up a non-office bearer.
Yeah, this time a non-office bearer.
The number is 7272.
7272.
Dr. Shahid.
Oh, Dr. Shahid, this is too
Dr.
much.
Shahid.
Today is Shahid's day.
Congratulations, Dr. Shahid.
Congratulations,
He's
doctor.
been working so hard in our OB team, getting all the members together.
He deserves it. He deserves it. Yeah.
Good
so can
job,
we
well
have our
done.
lovely Dr. Sajna, our vice president, to pick up the next lot?
Somebody's ticking.
Shake it well, Dr. Sajna.
Somebody's writing the
I hope you take my number. Yes.
1515.
15, 1, 5, 15.
Dr. Arijit.
Dr. Arijit. Dr. Arijit.
Congratulations, Dr. Arjit. God bless you.
Yeah.
This place over here is so nice. Thank you, Dr. Beena. Thank you, Dr. Koshi. Your
Absolutely.
flat has been converted
Hats
into a
off.
studio.
Yes, hats off to
Thank you
Dr.
for your
Beena, Dr.
hospitality,
Thomas,
IDF really thanks both of you for your
and the lovely treats which keep coming.
Yeah. So can we have another game now, Preeta? Shall we have a
Oh,
game?
yes, I'm waiting for this.
Yeah.
What's
This
the
game
next
has
game?
been meticulously, prepared by Dr. Aparna. Dr. Aparna, could you just mention the guidelines and the rules, the set of rules for this game? Dr. Aparna?
Yes,
Over to
Dr.
you.
Anila, thank you. Good evening, everyone, again. That was an interesting raffle draw and Guess the Santa. We will have one game now for all the IDF registered members, and I request all the OB members and their families not to participate in this game. This is purely for IDF registered members except OB members. I will take you through the instructions. So as you see, a very happy new year. I know it's a delayed one, but the wishes are always welcome. So I'll take you through the rules for this game. It's a word scramble game. Instructions I mentioned first, the game is open to all IDF registered members and their families logged in here, except the OB members and their families. Make sure to enter your full name. Names such as iPhone, Galaxy user, etc. will not be considered while choosing the winner. There are 15 slides, and each slide has scrambled letters, which you have to unscramble into a meaningful word. All participants will be muted, and you will type your answers in the chat box only. It will be the fastest finger first. So once a slide is displayed, whoever gets the answer first, the correct answer with no spelling errors in your answers, will be considered as a winner. Winner is not for the whole game. The winner is for that particular slide or that particular word. winner will be judged on the basis of maximum number of correct answers. So whoever, once the whole 15 slides are displayed, whoever gets the maximum correct responses will be declared as a winner. Organizers will not accept any responsibility for entries that are late or incomplete or have not been transmitted due to computer or technical error beyond the organizer's reasonable control. Hope the instructions are clear. Please let me know in chat box if you have any queries. You want to clarify anything. A minute for that. You can clarify if you have any doubts, or else we can start with the game. So as I see, there is no question from participants' side. We will begin the game. The first slide is here. The words are scrambled. You have to unscramble into a meaningful word. No, because we had taken a rehearsal for this, and we don't want it to be, unnecessarily, better to be open for only IDF registered members. Probably some other games next time we will plan for all the members. And we also have raffle draw for OB members, so that's how we thought that better to keep this for only IDF registered members. So the first slide, and this is unscrambled letters. Scrambled letters. You have to unscramble to get a meaningful word. Whoever answers first, yeah, please type in your answers in the chat box. Infection is wrong. Who answered? Roby George. Yes, Dr. Roby George, you are right. The word is confetti. Roby George, okay. Confetti, yes, correct. She's the first to answer. Roby George. It is CONFETTI. I will repeat, CONFETTI. And Dr. Roby George has got the correct answer. Okay, the next slide comes here. The second slide. People here are saying rasgulla. Already started thinking for food. Yes, our glass, Sarah's iPhone. Can you just type complete name, Sarah's iPhone? Can you please type your complete name? Dr. Sarah Bobas, yes. The third slide is here. The third slide is here. Yes, Namesh Bafna. Dr. Piyush Bafna's son, Namesh Bafna, got the right answer. The word is sparklers. SPARKLERS. We go on to the next slide. Fourth clue. Remember, this is fastest finger first, so you have to be. Yes, Midnight by Dr. Gillian Brito. Midnight, MIDNIGHT. I hope you got some clue what are these words about. Yes. Here comes a fifth slide, fifth clue. Fifth clue. KYM Prasad. Dr. KYM Prasad got it right. It's celebration. Isn't it a celebration? Yes. The sixth clue. Yeah. The sixth clue. Fastest finger first. No. No, no, no. Murli George. Dr. Murli George got it right. It's January, the month of January. The next clue, 7th. The 7th clue. Yes, yes. So I can make out that the members have got an idea of. No, resolutions. Resolutions. Yes. Dr. KYM Prasad, resolutions. The 8th clue is here. Now you have to be milliseconds in faster than what you were doing. So please. Yes.
He's not here, no?
The 9th clue is here. Dr. Arun Joshi is right. Excitement. EXCITEMENT. We are really excited to have this program here and play this game. Excitement is building up. Dr. Arun Joshi. Dr. Arun Joshi. The 10th slide, 10th clue is here. Dr. KYM Prasad. I should have told even neighbors of OB members, I think, huh?
No, but then Thomas Kochi doesn't have a clue about this. He was 24/7 behind the music and getting the song. So there's absolutely no way.
Yes, Dr. KYM Prasad, you are right. The 11th clue. The 11th clue. The 11th clue. Dr. Ruhi Moriani. Yes, you are right. Beginnings. The 12th clue. The spelling, yes, Dr. Arun Joshi, you're right. I said there should be no spelling error, and so Dr. Arun Joshi, countdown. You're right. But typo error, yeah. The 13th clue. Fastest finger first. The 13th clue is here. We are playing word scramble. Tradition is the right answer by Dr. Bindu Philip. 14th clue. This is very easy. We are in the rock star's house, so. No, Dr. Ruhi Moriani. You're right, it's music. And the last slide, 15th one. 15th one. Wishes, Dr. KYM Prasad. No, it's a typo error. Okay, this was a typo error. I'll go to the next slide. Yeah, there is a typo error.
So this will be discarded.
This clue is disqualified, discarded.
Mohan, my good friend Mohan had.
The last cheers. Dr. KYM Prasad. Yes, cheers. Cheers to you. It's a clean. Dr. KYM Prasad looks to be winner of this game. You got the maximum correct answers. Fastest finger first. You got 5 correct answers. Dr. KY Prasad is a winner. Anybody there next? After Dr. KYM Prasad? 2 each. Okay, so I'll play one more tiebreaker between Dr. Ruhi and Dr. Arun. Whoever answers first will be the next winner. Okay? I'm playing the tiebreaker clue for Dr. Arun Joshi and Dr. Ruhi Moriani. Please, other members, do not reply in the chat box. It is only for Dr. Ruhi Moriani and Dr. Arun Joshi. This is the clue, tiebreaker clue. I'm sure you must have got an idea that this is related to some theme. The game has been designed to certain theme and you should be able to answer now. This is a clue I wanted to give in the end. Dr. Arun and Dr. Ruhi. Dr. Arun, Dr. Ruhi. Yes, Dr. Arun is trying hard. Try. This is related to the theme of the event. What is the theme of the event? Oh, Dr. Amir. No, I have another tiebreaker clue. Do not worry. Okay, I'll tell you the last alphabet. Is that okay? There is an S in the last. The last letter is S. The first alphabet is again S.
Okay, we'll go for the next clue. Forget this.
Next clue.
Okay, give up, huh? This was streamers.
Streamers. Okay, the next one.
Yes. Another tiebreaker clue. Dr. Arun Joshi and Dr. Ruhi only can answer this they can type their answers in the chat box. Dr. Arun is getting it. He's typing.
Okay, tell the first alphabet. Yeah.
Dr. Amir is very generous. Very generous.
Tell the first alphabet. Give them the first alphabet.
Okay, I'll give a clue. This is related to New Year theme.
Yeah, right. Arun is about 50 and I don't know how old is.
Okay, the first letter starts with C.
Correct. Won't give up.
Dr. Mohan, it was for Dr. Arun Joshi and Dr. Ruhi.
We have one more time. Yes. We have one more. Then again, it's only for Dr. Arun.
Please, other members, please take a note. This is only for Dr. Ruhi Moriani and Dr. Arun Joshi. We are making this right now, by attending this event. This is a clue I want to give you.
Yes.
Yes, Dr. Ruhi Moriani, you got it right. It is memories. We are making memories right now. And this is the next winner, Dr. Ruhi. You are the second winner. And thus we come to an end of this game. I hope you had a good time. Thank you, everybody, for participating. And congratulations once again, Dr. KYM Prasad and Dr. Ruhi Moriani. Now handing over to Dr. Anila and Dr. Preeta.
A very professionally conducted game, and it was a very tight game towards the end. Anyway, congrats to all the winners. Now, shall we? I think we have 2 more raffle draws to be picked up.
Yes.
Whom shall we call
We
for
will
picking
call
up?
Dr. Thomas Koshi and Dr. Beena
Beena.
Thomas.
Dr. Thomas and Dr. Beena for the next lot, for picking the next lot.
Dr. Beena, your blessed hands.
Deserves to
Absolutely. A big thanks to Dr. Beena for continuously feeding us.
Oh, so this is number 3. Number 3. Dr. Aarti.
Aarti.
Again,
Dr. Aarti. Aarti Chadda, our OB member? OB, office bearers. Okay. So congrats, Aarti. I think our OB team is very lucky. Now we have the next lot to be picked up.
By Dr.
Last but not the
Aparna.
least, Dr. Aparna. Okay.
popular demand for the raffle draw, so we will continue.
Oh, a game. Okay. Number 78. 78. Dr. Sunil SG. Yeah, Dr. Sunil SG, orthopedician. Yeah, from Armed Forces Hospital. Yeah. Next, we're having another game. Dr. Sunil, are you online on Zoom? Dr. Sunil, please report.
He's there.
Yeah, two Sunils are there. Sunil Yadav and Sunil.
Yeah. Can we have another lot to be picked up? Just confirm if Dr. Sunil is there.
How can we go?
No, he's there. They have to be there.
They have to be there. Because there is name Sunil.
There are two names. One is Sunil Yadav.
One is Sunil, plain Sunil.
Now we are in a confusion. Which Dr. Sunil?
Okay, then go for the next block.
Sorry, Dr. Sunil. Because you have to be present and answering. Number 12.
Number 12,
12, Dr. Aparna Kadam.
Aparna Kadam. Dr. Aparna Kadam.
Yay! Congratulations, Dr. Aparna.
Aparna Kadam is there?
Yes, no, that one.
Dr. Aparna, is she on Zoom?
She should.
You have to be online.
He is there and online.
You have to reply, Dr. Aparna.
Dr. Aparna Kadam.
Yes, she said yes. Yes.
So,
Big round of applause to
Dr.
Dr. Aparna.
Aparna Kadam. So, can we have the next game? Over to you, Dr. Aparna.
So we start with the next game. This is on the popular demand. We were actually thinking the time is late, but Dr. Amir is also suggesting no, we should go ahead. The first game he found very interesting and interactive.
Prizes to be won. Attractive prizes.
Exciting prizes. Now for this, I'm again telling you the rules. This is about the Indian Star Achievers. This game is open to all IDF registered members and their families logged in here except the OB members and their families. Make sure to enter your full name. Names such as iPhone, Galaxy user will not be considered while choosing the winner. So please try to change your, try to rename the profile name, whatever you have entered. This is quiz to see how well we know Indian achievers who have made the country proud on a global platform. There will be 14 slides. Each slide will show a picture of Indian woman achiever. All participants will be muted. You must type the name of the personality as well as mention their respective fields through the chat box only. Mentioning the respective fields is not a must. What you should be doing is you should be writing the name of the personality. It will be again the fastest finger first, and you must correctly mention the first name at least. First name is required. Winner will be adjudged on the basis of maximum number of correct answers. Again, organizers will not accept any responsibility for entries that are late or incomplete or have not been transmitted due to computer or technical error beyond the organizer's reasonable control. So can we begin with this game? You have any doubts, any clarifications to be done, you can type in the chat box. Okay, so I'll start this. The slides will have the photos of these personalities, and it's not straightforward. Okay, you will come to know when I put the first, second, third slide. So, no. It's not that difficult. The first will give them the idea. Yes, you have to guess the personality here, the Indian woman achiever, and you have to type the correct name, the first correct name, and the personality. Yes, Aparna Kadam, because I had said. But it is Anandi Doshi. The first name has to be correct. Anandi. Okay, fine. Dr. Tasneem. Dr. Tasneem gets the correct answer. Yes, Dr. Anandi Gopal Joshi. This is the next photo for. The next clue, anybody can answer. You have to type the name and tell me the speciality. Speciality is not a. Yes, who is that? I cannot see. Where is it? Yes, Dr. Venu Gopal, you're right. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. She is an officer. She was an officer of the Indian National Army who headed INA's Women's Wing. Yes, this is the third clue. This is the third clue. Who's checking the chat? Yes, Dr. Mohan, you're right. Shakuntala Devi, an Indian mathematician and writer and mental calculator, popularly known as the human computer. Shakuntala Devi answered correctly by Dr. Mohan. She is an Indian mathematician and writer and mental calculator, popularly known as the human computer. Yes. Next one. He's standing here in such a bow. The next clue. That's okay. That's okay. Dr. Robbie George, you're right. This is Asha Bhosle, an Indian playback singer and entrepreneur. She is best known for her Bollywood playback career. The next slide. The next clue. Yeah, you could have got it. Yes. Dr. Robbie George, right answer. Pratibha Patil, an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. Next clue. No, Lata is not the right answer. Yes, Dr. Komal, it's right. Kiran Bedi. Yeah, Dr. Komal, you're right. Kiran Bedi. She has been India's first and highest woman ranking officer, having joined the Indian Public Service in 1972. Okay. Please take a note. You have to write first name and the second name. Okay, but the first name should be right. Second name can be. Yes. Mrs. Subhadra, you're right. Sudha Murthy. Surana. I'll just tell about Sudha Murthy ji. She's an engineering professor, philanthropist, and writer who has been heading the Infosys Foundation since its inception. Now, the next clue you have to answer. Dr. Aparna Kadam, yes, you're right. Kiran Majumdar, Chairperson and Managing Director of Biocon Limited, a biotechnology company based in India. The next one. Trupti, yes, Dr. Trupti, you're right. Indra Nui, an Indian American business executive and former chairperson and chief executive officer of PepsiCo. I'm happy to see that the responses are coming, so this is not so difficult. The next clue here, please type your answers in the chat box. And as mentioned, this will be fastest finger first. Whoever gets maximum responses will be declared as a winner. Yes, Dr. Aparna Kadam. Yes, Dr. Aparna Kadam, you're right. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan is an Indian pediatrician and clinical scientist. Since March 2019, Swaminathan has served as the chief scientist of the World Health Organization. Can we go to next slide? Okay. Yes. The next slide. Yes, Dr. Aparna Kadam, you're right. The clue is Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar, Lieutenant General Madhuri Kanitkar, is a serving general officer in the Indian Army. She is the third woman in the Indian Armed Forces to be promoted to a 3-star rank. Dr. Aparna Kadam is a winner for this slide. Next clue. Yes, we have got Dr. Tasneem Jasvi is right. Mithali Dorai Raj, an Indian cricketer and Test ODI captain of women's national cricket team. Dr. Tasneem Jasvi. Okay. Next clue. This is very easy. Really have to be fast. No. Robbie George. Dr. Robbie George. No, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Dr. Robbie George. Are you ready? Dr. Robbie George, you got this clue correct. PV Sindhu, Indian professional badminton player, the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. And the last clue comes here. No, that's easy. No, Dr. Mohan. Yes, doctor, there is somebody. Sajni Matthews, you are right. Dr. Sajni Matthews. This is Hima Das, a sprint. Yes, Dr. Sajni Matthews, a sprint runner from the state of Assam, India. First Indian athlete to win a medal at any track event at the World Athletics Championships, and she thus achieved the reputation as Dhing Express. So now we'll wait for the members to do the tally marks here. Okay. Yeah, so we declare them as winners. Even if it's tie, we declare them as winners. Dr. Robbie George and Dr. Robbie George and Dr. Aparna Kadam, you are declared as winners for this game. Hearty congratulations. I hope you all enjoyed and got to see the rare unseen pics of these Indian women achievers. Thank you so much. Over to Dr. Anila.
Seems like we've all had a good time.
A really
So-
enjoyable time in Dr. Beena's house and Dr. Thomas's. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining with us. We all enjoy this evening. And actually, we don't feel like going away from here, right?
Can we stay here today, Dr. Beena?
With all those goodies out there. So I invite Dr. Nazim to deliver the vote of thanks. Dr. Nazim, over to you, Dr. Nazim.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all my beloved IDF family members. I, Dr. Nazim Parkar, General Secretary, Indian Doctors Forum, on behalf of the President and the entire office bearers team, feel privileged and honored to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the IDF members and their families for attending this virtual Christmas and New Year celebration. At the outset, let me apologize for the technical glitches due to internet issues in the beginning of the program. I would like to thank each and every member of IDF who shared their precious moments of celebration with us via photographs, captured family time, well-crafted greeting cards, and homemade delicacies to promote and portray their feelings of togetherness. Sharing these moments of celebration during this pandemic showcases the true spirit of togetherness. I would also like to appreciate all the participants who have put in their time and efforts to showcase their talents and helped us make this fantastic visual extravaganza a grand success. I would fail my duty if I don't acknowledge Dr. Amir Ahmad, our president, for coming up with this novel way to celebrate our festivals in such challenging times and keep the spirits of festivities high among the IDF members. It goes without saying that our cultural secretaries, Dr. Aparna Bhatt and Dr. Thomas Koshi, did an excellent job of crafting out yet another wonderful event to continue the festival celebrations going on. I would also like to thank our media partners, Oscar Media, for helping us out in making this program and sharing their YouTube platform. Such events give an opportunity for our members to come up with innovative ideas to celebrate our festivals in virtuality till this pandemic ceases. I would like to request all the members to wholeheartedly support IDF by participating in all such future events in number maxima to ensure healthy social relationship of the entire IDF family. Thank you once again and have a very great weekend. Thank you. With this, we end today's program.
Let us hear it for the host, Dr. Koshi and Dr. Beena. Hip hip!
Hip hip! Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray! On behalf of IDF, Anila and myself, I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who took time out to come here today and to all the people who watched this memorable event online. A special thanks, as we already mentioned, to Dr. Thomas and Dr. Beena for allowing us to use this home as our place to, as a studio, as to practice the programs, for everything, and for the table full of lovely treats. We have enjoyed watching this show as much as we believe you have enjoyed watching this with us. And we pray and believe all our IDF families will have a blessed and prosperous 2021.
We have two more raffle draws. Dr. Amir and Dr. Pandita will pick up the remaining two raffles. Dr. Jaggi.
Dr. Jagannath, Dr. Amir, and Dr. Ramesh. We don't want anyone to get angry. Dr. Pooja, please come.
Lovely ducklings. 2 and 2, 22.
22. 22. Dr. Asit. Dr. Asit Mohanty. This time it's a gang full of OBs. Huh? Yeah. Dr. Pooja, pick up the second raffle.
Okay, I'm going to be the finale.
And the finale with our Zoom master.
We're just checking if Dr. Asit's there on Zoom.
If he's not there online, then we go to another number.
Dr. Asit,
Dr. Asit, is he on Zoom?
1. Dr. Asit 2.
And we're going to pick another
Dr.
one.
Asit, no, he has to reply in the chat box. Dr. Asit 3, done. Next.
Can we have another lot picked up?
Dr. Ramesh.
So we have number 57.
Number 57.
57 is Dr. Robbie George.
No, that's, okay. Dr. Robbie George.
Dr. Robbie George.
Dr. Robbie George, are you there? Yes, he's there. Yes. Mabruk. No, one more.
One more, last one. Yeah.
Dr. Pooja is waiting to pick the next.
I will pick up. I will tell.
And the last raffle draw.
The final one. 4040.
40.
Naughty 40. Oh, me. Give me the chance.
Dr. Nazim Parker is the 10th
Congratulations.
winner for 10th raffle draw. Congratulations, Dr. Nazim.
Nazim, yeah, we all had. Yeah.
That brings us
So
to
that
the end of
brings
the
us
raffle draw.
and thank you. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
spending
God
this
bless you.
evening. I'm sure we all had a good time. We created a lot of memories. This will last for a lifetime.
Absolutely.
So until the next time we meet together, this is Dr. Anila
And Dr. Preeta.
signing off. Good night.
God
Bye-bye.
bless. Good night. Stay blessed.
Yeah, thank you, my dear IDF family members. We will highly appreciate if you give your feedback in the chat box. We are eagerly looking forward to your feedback, be it positive, be it negative. But please do respond back in the chat box. Thank you.
Thanks, Siddharth. അപ്രതീക്ഷിതമായിട്ട്